guys, so finally the day is here. Halloween is just a few hours away and I thought it will be a perfect opportunity to show you guys some simple Halloween slimes. So the first slime is the most popular one and it is the candy corn slime. It has three main colors which are white, orange and yellow. So here I am playing with them and later on assembling the same. This came out to be so pretty, guys. I wanted to keep it like this only, but at the same time I wanted to see which color it will become if I continue to play with it. So I went on. So as you can see, the slime turned out to be of orange color. I totally love this and would recommend you to try the same. Moving on, we have poison pie slime. In this I used black slime and just decorated it with glitters, foam and much more. Oh my gosh, guys, even this turned out to be so pretty. I'm so happy and in love with these slimes. That was all in this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if yes, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.